Introducing the epitome of superbike excellence, the 2024 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. A marvel of engineering, designed for those who demand nothing but the best. At its heart lies a formidable 1099cc engine, a masterpiece capable of unleashing 217 horsepower at a breathtaking 13,000 RPM. Coupled with a peak torque of 125 Nm at 10,500 RPM, this superbike promises an exhilarating ride. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it offers an unparalleled riding experience, tailored to your style. Whether it's carving corners on the track or cruising on the open road, this superbike adapts seamlessly. Every aspect of the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory screams performance, from its 6-speed gearbox to its lightweight yet robust frame, ensuring that every ride is nothing short of legendary. With a seat height of 845 mm and a curb weight of just 202 kilograms, the RSV4 1100 Factory is both accessible and exhilarating, promising an intimate connection with the road. Fuel your passion for speed and precision with the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on motorcycles like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.